How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our multicolor Virtue dash lights. So we offer these units in our Virtue 1, Virtue 2, and Virtue 4 sizes here. And when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Virtue going to your cable with your connector here. And this is to be used with our optional cig-plug, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. Now when using our cig-plug, you do have two power modes, so if you flip your power switch up, you'll be in power mode 1, and down, you'll be in power mode 2. So you have the ability to run two flash pattern memories. And then you also have your flash pattern toggle switch here as well. So now let's go over some of the color options. So we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So for example here, I brought our Virtue 1 in green clear, our Virtue 2 in amber clear, and our Virtue 4s in a red-blue and a red-blue amber tricolor configuration. And with our Virtue 4s, you can customize your light bar by using our customization tool. And then you'll have your white sync cable here to sync multiple units together. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them with dual memory recall. So let's go over that feature. So when I'm using my optional cig-plug, I have my power mode 1 and I have my power mode 2. And you do have the ability to run your unit in multicolor, your primary color, or your secondary color with the built-in flash patterns. So you'll see here I'm on my primary color, and I can switch that to my secondary color if I would like to here. So I'll switch it over to blue. And then I can also access my other pattern by going back to power mode 1. And then in either power mode 1 or 2, you can change the flash pattern by using your flash pattern toggle switch. And then by putting your power button in the middle, will turn your unit off. And then you can also run your power mode 1 or power mode 2 with the built-in cables in the cable harness if you would like to hardwire. Now a really cool feature with our multicolor units is you can run your primary and secondary colors individually by using the built-in flash patterns. So here in power mode 1, I went ahead and programmed a red-blue pattern here, and again this is my red-blue amber unit. And then in power mode 2, I have an amber flash pattern program, so I can easily switch between my primary and secondary colors, or I can still run them together as well in multicolor. Now we do offer several mounting options for these units. So we have our 90-degree suction cup bracket, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our adjustable and static headliner brackets, and then if you'd like to exterior mount your unit, we have our surface mount end caps, and we have the ability to weatherproof these units. And then finally, you'll see optional windshield visors for each size as well. So that covers our multicolor Virtue dash lights. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players right below the main product pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.